Hello everyone! Welcome back to my vlog. With the many hats I wear, life can be pretty hectic. But as a devoted mom, I want my family to enjoy delicious food. So I set aside time once a week to prepare easy, healthy, and scrumptious meals for my loved ones. So today, I'm going to share my cooking experience with Clara Ole. It's a game changer. See, it's incredibly easy to use. No need to add a bunch of ingredients or seasonings. And you don't need to worry about the flavor because it's all there. Look at this restaurant quality dish that I made. My very own cheesy pesto pasta. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, Clara Ole products can help you create elevated dishes that everyone in the family will surely love. What's amazing is its versatility. I use Clara Ole not just for pasta, but also for dishes like cheesy pesto fusilli salad using the cheesy pesto sauce, chicken parmesan using the chunky tomato with basil sauce, and seafood fried rice using the cream-based sauce and crab flavor. And if you ever need more recipe ideas, you can check out the Clara Ole Facebook page. Got a ton of creative recipes using their products. Now let's wrap up by enjoying one of our prep meals for dinner. I can't emphasize enough how effortless it is to prepare delicious dishes with Clara Ole premium pasta sauces. Leveled up talaga because of Clara Ole. Plus, hindi lang tomato-based ang pasta sauces ng Clara Ole. There are even more variants available in grocery stores. So I want to invite you all amazing moms out there to give Clara Ole premium pasta sauces a try. You can find them in grocery stores or conveniently order online. Don't forget to explore the Sisu Food Hub online store. They have the full range of Clara Ole products and other fantastic Sisu brands. Thank you for joining me today. Happy cooking and see you on my next vlog.